Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you back with another Edabit problem. This one's called Boolean to string conversion. So it says create a function that takes a Boolean variable flag and returns it as a string. So you can see from the examples, uh, it's got true, so we're just going to return it into a string true, and then false, we're just going to return it into a string false. So don't forget the resource tabs, they're really helpful. So let's go to the code tab. As you can see, it's a string function, so we're going to return a string, and the argument's going to be a bool flag. So a flag is either going to be true or false, and then we're going to convert that true or false into a string. So to do that, we're going to use an if-else statement. So if flag, normally what you could do is just leave it there because the flag, it's just going to be true. But we're just going to, so learning purposes, if flag equals true, we're going to return. And now to do in the string, you got to do quotation marks, double quotation marks, and then we're just going to return true. So if flag is equal to true, we're going to return true, true as a string. If not, we're going to do else. Else, we're going to return false, false as a string. As you can see, we got the quotation marks. That means it's going to be a string. And let's check it and see if it passes all the tests. As you can see, it passed all the tests. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Edabit problems. Thank you.